Alrighty, got ourselves a 2013 328i. Let me show you how to change the cabin air filter in this thing. Yeah, open your passenger door, get you a ratchet, 10mm. Be a bolt right here. And there's gonna be another one right here. Go ahead and take those out. Alright, once you get those screws out, you can go ahead and pop this panel down. You can see the holders right here, one right here, and one right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop it out here, and then you're going to kind of pull down and forward here, kind of back out like that. And you got your light over here. Just kind of gently pull it down. Pull that, disconnect that light. Then this one in the back here just pulls out. Set that aside. And this curvature right here, this is where your filter will be, inside that curve. It is a curved filter, and as you can see, you're gonna have a torque spit right here and right here. Let's go get that tool right quick. Alright, got my torque spit screwdrivers here. I'm gonna take this T20, see if that's it. And it is a T20. Take this out right here. I don't know why my flashlight already to tell me my battery's low already. Anyways, let me get a flashlight real quick. Alright, got some light back. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this filter cover out of here. Just like so. Gently pull. So we got a little stubborn on the back, a little tab here. Push that out of the way, and it just falls out. It'll hang right there like that. Go ahead and pull your cabin filter out, just like that. See, it collects a lot of dirt and dust. It's real dusty right here on this end. There's a bunch of dirt in between all the pleats. So this will definitely help your car smell a little better and help your AC work better when you change that out. Again, this is a 2013 328i. Also works for 2012 to 2015 models. Thanks for watching.